Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 cute hairstyles that are perfect for spring because they kind of resemble flower petals. So if you want to see how I did these looks, then keep on watching. The first look resembles a flower crown and it's really easy to do. To start, pick up a section of hair at the top of your head and tie it off with an elastic band. And you want to make sure that the elastic band is close to or the same color as your hair. So here I'm using a black one. Right below that, you want to pick up another section of hair and again tie it with an elastic band. So now you should have 2 little ponytails. Go back to the first one, grab another elastic band and tie it about 1 inch away from the first one. Make a hole in that little section of hair and pull the second ponytail through it. So now the second ponytail is on top. You want to grab another elastic band and again tie it 1 inch away from the first one. Then make a hole in the section and pull the second ponytail through. From here, you just want to repeat the same steps until that braid reaches your chin. If you've watched some of my older videos, you'll know that this is a pull-through braid, just a tinier version. And now comes my favorite part. When you're all done, you want to go back and gently tug on the strands to give it some volume. And because this braid is secured with tiny elastic bands, you can pull the braid as far out as you want and they won't come undone. You also want to make another braid on the opposite side of your head and then bring them together at the back and tie them. Remember, there are 4 tiny ponytails in total and I chose to tie only 2 of them together so that my hair will look more curled. And here's the completed look. I think it looks better on curly hair than straight hair, so I just gave myself some waves in the beginning with a 1-inch curling iron. Alright, so for the second look, you want to pick up some hair at the crown of your head and tie it with an elastic band. Make a hole above the hair tie and flip your ponytail through. This is just the start of it so that it doesn't look too plain. Now you want to grab another elastic band and tie it 1 inch away from the first one. Flip it out of the way, then grab a section of hair right below the first one. And like before, you're going to insert your fingers through that section of hair and pull that big chunk of hair through it. Secure it tightly. Now go back to the ponytail you just pulled through and tie it with an elastic hair tie. Throw it out of the way for now. Then pick up another section of hair right below it. Make a hole in that section of hair and again pull that big chunk of hair below through it. And with the last one, you want to tie the elastic band like you did the first, but this time you're going to grab the remainder of your hair and pull it through. Tug on the last one to make sure it's really tight and then go back and gently tug the hair out of those braids. Grab another hair tie and tie the ponytail together. So if you feel like having a more dressed up ponytail, this is definitely the look for you. This last one is my personal favorite because I love anything that's side swept. So pick up some hair on one side of your head and tie it with an elastic band. Now grab another elastic band and tie it 1 inch away from the first one. Next, gather some hair towards the nape of your neck and then make a hole in that section of hair from the first ponytail and pull the hair through it. Take an elastic band, tie it around this ponytail now. Pick up another section at the nape of your neck and pull it through. Again, tie your hair with an elastic band. Pick up a section of hair near the nape of your neck and make a hole and pull that hair through it. On the last one, you want to grab all of your hair and pull it through. Go back and tug on all of the braids and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 spring hairstyles. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments below. And if you decide to recreate any of them, then please take a picture and tag me on Instagram so that I can like it. Also, if you like videos like this, don't forget to share it and give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao! Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get all my new videos, and don't forget to check out my previous ones.